How to fix Instagram Reels lag. So if you want to fix the Instagram Reels lag problem, then the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and go for the application or apps and tap on see all apps. Go for the search, which is on the upper right, and search for Instagram and tap on the Instagram. Open up your Instagram on your settings and go for storage and cache. Go for the clear cache and your problem will be fixed. But even after clearing your cache, if your problem doesn't fix, then remove that, and then you need to open up your Instagram application and go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on the profile, go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Scroll all the way down, and once you're here, you need to simply choose data usage and media quality. And once you're here, you need to simply turn on the data saver. So if you turn on the data saver, then if your issue exists with the Reels lag, then it might be because of the internet connection. So what you need to do is simply turn on the data saver. Once you turn on the data saver, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Instagram Reels lag. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.